In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted pages on your Squarespace website. Whether you're making updates to your site or accidentally removed a page, this guide will walk you through retrieving those pages with ease. Let's get started and dive into the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so with your credentials to access your Squarespace account. If you are new to Squarespace, or if it's been a while since your last visit, simply enter your email and password and you'll be directed straight into your dashboard. Once you're in, locate the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see a number of options that allow you to manage your website. Click on the Website option to get started and then immediately click on Pages. This section is where all of your site's existing pages are listed, and it serves as the central hub for organizing and managing them. Now I want you to scroll down in the Pages menu until you find an option that says Deleted Pages. This is a special part of Squarespace that acts like a recycling bin, holding onto pages you've previously deleted so they can be easily restored if needed. Click on Deleted Pages to access all those pages that you might have removed in the past. This list will display everything that has been deleted recently but is still retrievable. It's a great feature if you've decided that you need to bring back content that you'd previously thought you were done with. To restore a page, simply find the one you're looking to recover from this list. Hover over it with your cursor and you'll see an option to restore it. By clicking on this, Squarespace will immediately add the page back to your site, placing it exactly where it was before deletion. And just like that, you're done. Your page is back online and ready for visitors. This quick and efficient process saves you the hassle of recreating content from scratch, ensuring that no work is ever truly lost. This method is perfect for content managers, small business owners, or anyone who updates their website regularly. It's important to remember that keeping your website organized is key to maintaining its professional appearance and functionality. Regularly review your pages to ensure everything is up to date and that you make optimal use of the features available on the platform. Thank you for watching this guide on how to restore deleted pages on Squarespace. I hope it helped make managing your site easier. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.